Hey, what's up, guys? Friday morning coming to you live from Salt Lake City, Utah. Hope everybody's having a great Friday morning. I'll tell you what, I bet there's a lot of people waking up this morning and they are crying. A lot of people getting hurt today. Well, I guess you're only hurt if you sell. You're only hurt if you sell. You only lose if you sell. You only take a loss when you sell. Crypto market down. Morning, Holden. What's up, buddy? Dude, what is up? The market is down, man. Bitcoin down. Ethereum down, Litecoin down. I mean, Litecoin's actually still holding it pretty strong. Bitcoin Cash down, Litecoin down. I mean, they're all down. How many of you guys, Cody Lim, what's up, buddy? How many of you guys are going to buy the dip? How many of you guys have capital that you're going to buy this dip? Because that's what we try to teach you. Always trying to teach you, you want to sell at the top and buy at the bottom. And as we got closer and closer to that top, as the crypto markets built up value, built up energy, built up steam. Nice job, Heather. I saw a lot of people that I know getting in. And, I'm not an advisor unless you pay me. But man, you never want to get in when you feel like you're missing out, when you feel like it's just going to continue to go up and up and up. When that happens, you actually know that you should pull, and there's going to be a pull back or a correction up ahead. It's natural. It's healthy, actually. We need those corrections. And so, man, how many of you guys... Hey, thanks a lot, Heather. My sister's name is Heather. How many of you guys woke up this morning and your stomach sunk? Or maybe even yesterday, your stomach sunk. I mean, my own, I'll be honest, my portfolio's down, 40%. 40%. Bob, definitely buy. Did you ask what you should buy? What should I buy? I'd be, shouldn't do this while I'm driving, you guys probably won't tell on me. Stellar, EOS, Tron for sure. Let's see what Tron's at. Oh, dang, Tron. I'd be getting some Tron. I'm going to be getting some Tron. David, what's up, buddy? Ashley, what's up? What's up, Kyle? Man, it is a Christmas, it's a before Christmas sale in the crypto space. And the question is always at this point, how long will it go? How long will it go? You have 1,000 Tron. Jordan, nice job, buddy. Nice job. I like Tron. I like Cardano. And I love EOS. A lot of interesting stuff going on in the marketplace right now. After this last run up also, we really saw yeah, that's exactly right, Dave. Everybody needs to be patient, ride the wave. There's ups and downs in waves. Yeah, absolutely. What we saw, guys, is we really saw the vulnerability of Bitcoin. We really saw how slow it is, and we saw how expensive it is. And I think that, my perception of Bitcoin is changing more and more every day. And so today, Jordan, it's going to hit a big exchange like what? Binance, Bittrex, or it's already on Binance. So I think that, we might have a change of the guard soon. I think that, right now for a currency, the most important thing is going to be speed, transaction speed, and transaction cost. If it costs me more to send Bitcoin than it does to send a wire, I mean, it just does still have a lot of value, even in that respect. Because one, I don't like working with banks, because then a bank knows if I send $1 million or $1 billion to China, and I don't want that. I don't like people in my business. But we really saw what happened, and I think that's a big reason why we saw a run up in Bitcoin Cash, because people are starting to see that we really haven't hit that big of numbers. We have a very small market share of worldwide of usage. It's growing, but it's not quite there yet. And we haven't even hit $1 trillion. We haven't even hit a tenth. We haven't actually hit 1%. Yes, that's exactly when you should buy, Holden. You should buy on these dips. So right now, it's a freaking yard sale, guys. It is a Christmas miracle. It's like at the end of Scrooge, when Scrooge goes down off his deck and says, "Hey, you down there, boy, what day is today?" And the little boy looks up, "What, today is Christmas Day, sir?" That's what it's like. It's Christmas. Go out and get some. I was fortunate to have sold some at about 19,000. So that's exactly what I was doing, waiting for this dip. Now I got some capital to invest into to deepen my position. Yeah, Litecoin's going to go up. They're all going to go up. Thanks, Tim. All of them, just like David mentioned earlier, is there's ebbs and flows. There's ups and downs in every market. And there is so much volatility in the market because there's so much capital. It's so new. There's so many people, because it's volatile. You got a lot of people, pulling cash out, pulling huge profits out. So as we gain more market cap, as we get into the trillions, 10 trillion plus, it's really going to even out. It's going to stabilize because there's going to be less volatility. And so right now, these big 50% drops, it's nothing. In fact, I was thinking about this morning. I've probably been through a good 4 or 5 of these major corrections in the past year. Not a big deal. They're emotional. They are emotional. And I would say that riding those waves is what makes you an experienced surfer. You're only going to get good at riding the waves when you learn how to master your emotions. Because I would say that whether it's Forex, whether it's the stock market, or whether it's cryptocurrency, me personally, I've never been in a business, and I've been in business for a long time. I've never been in something that was mentally and emotionally stressing as investing and trading. It's very stressful. And the big problem most people make is they listen to their emotions. And that's what makes a really good trader, is someone that doesn't listen to their emotions. Because most people got in too late when they felt like they were missing out. Okay, and then they sell at the bottom when they think it's dead, when they think it's crashed, when they think it's over. So you've got to learn to master your emotions. You've got to learn how to master your logic, your reason, your analytical, the left side of your brain. Because a lot of things in cryptocurrency or any sort of asset trading is counterintuitive. A lot of it's counterintuitive. You've got to do the opposite of what your emotions are telling you to do. When your emotions are telling you to sell, like today, oh my God, the sky is falling in. Vegan bull. That's when you've got to buy. You've got to have that capital saved up. You've got to realize when it's going up the way it has for the past couple weeks, you've got to see that there is a correction coming. And when you see we hit these upper resistance levels like 20,000, we don't break through and settle on the other side, you've got to see, once it hits that once, falls down, hits it twice, falls down, then you know that, man, it might be a good time to sell because we might have a correction coming. But that's for another video. So, guys, my advice for today, just say a prayer. Say a prayer that you don't sell your stuff. Just hold on tight. There's a great lesson in patience for a lot of people. Could be a week, could be 2, could be a month before it comes back. But it always comes back. It's always come back. And it will continue to come back. So, guys, I hope you have a great Friday. I hope that you don't let yeah, exactly, buddy. Troy, bye. Yeah, exactly. See, Troy's got it. Troy's been doing this for long enough that he's rode the waves. He understands the emotions. Counterintuitive, guys. That's the lesson. That's the word. That's the phrase of the day. Counterintuitive. Do the opposite of what your emotions are telling you, because your emotions are quite often wrong. What's the best one for a first timer? I think the best advice I could give for a first timer is start doing research. Start doing research into the space and find which idea that you like the most. I think it's always a good idea, depending on your investment level, is to try to find projects that you could get a number of units. The more units, the better. So, guys, have a great Friday. I'm going to go spend some time with my family down here in Salt Lake for the holiday, Christmas. See you guys. Have a good one. Share this video. Like it. It's fun.